Inhale your right leg high, step it through, grabbing your strap, left knee down, inhale, bringing the strap behind you, lift off the back leg, inhale to crescent lunge, exalted, left arm reaching, right arm reaching up and back, exalted warrior, drop your left heel, reverse warrior, inhale, exhale, really keep the length extended, inhale, reverse, stay on the exhale, inhale, feet point forward, find that sticky spot, hinge forward, can maybe roll the wrists, and bring the strap all the way down, hugging in, coming back up, inhale, turn the right toes forward, inhale, reverse, exhale, Trikonasana, inhale, reverse, rebend the right knee, pivot, bring the strap down, high plank, chaturanga, vinyasa through to downward facing dog.